How to access your free credit report. So you would go to annualcreditreport.com, and when you get to this site, you would click request your free credit reports. Click request your credit report and fill out the form. Enter in your first name, middle initial, last name, birth date. Enter in your social twice. Enter in your current address as it says on your driver's license or state ID. Apartment number if you have one, your city, state, and zip code. Have you lived at this address for 2 years? If yes, select yes. If no, enter in your previous address and click next. Check Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax and click next. Now when you get to this page, you will have to confirm your identity to get your Experian credit report. You have 5 minutes to answer 3 personal questions about yourself. If none applies, click none of the above. After you answered all 3 questions, click continue, and you will have your Experian credit report. Click print or save report. You can either print it or save it as a PDF. When you've printed and saved your Experian credit report, you would go back to the annual credit report tab and click get your next report or finish. Click back to annualcreditreport.com and click get your next credit report. Now to get your TransUnion credit report, you'll need to enter in your email address and phone number. After you've entered that in, click I accept and continue. To confirm your identity, you would have to check to receive a passcode, either text message or phone call, and click agree and send passcode. After you've entered in the passcode, click verify my identity, click continue, and you will have your TransUnion credit report. Click print or save my report. After you've printed or saved your TransUnion credit report, you would click get your next report or finish and click return to annualcreditreport.com now. Get your next credit report for Equifax. When you get to this page, you would verify your identity by entering in your phone number and email address and press continue. You would check this box and click send me a code to your phone number. Click yes, send me a text, and enter in the code once you get it. Click continue, and then you'll have your full Equifax credit report. Click print credit report so you can either print it or save it. Don't forget, when you access your annual credit report, you can only access it once every 7 days. So don't forget to print it out or save it. All right, everybody, good luck. Peace.